All right, everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back with you. Welcome back. We are here in the Bethesda office, Natural Transplants today. We got Jake with us. Jake is a local. Welcome.
Hey, thank
you.
you.
Good to see you. Thanks for doing this. Thanks for sharing your story with everybody.
Yeah, definitely.
Tell us, everybody, why you're here.
So yeah, I'm here because hair is pretty much receding, as you can see here. It's going back down here.
Yeah.
Losing it. Luckily, on finasteride, so it's kind of slowing it down. But yeah, it's going.
And how long? How old are you now?
I'm 29.
29. And when did you start noticing the recession?
The recession began when I was 26, maybe slowly, and then progressed.
You feel it's just
now it's definitely going. Yeah, I think I'm lucking out with this.
Yeah, I feel your pain. I had a very similar distribution with mine as well too. So I'm going to have Zane sort of zoom in just so we can kind of get a good sense.
Sure.
And then just put your head down a little bit, and then look back up. And then we've debated whether or not to bring this down at all. We'll sort of draw it and see what it looks like. But we're definitely going to kind of attack the corners here and bring these down and get rid of these corners for you. And then look to the left, or either way is fine. And then look to the right. Awesome. And you got awesome hair. I mean, it's so thick back here. And we chatted about this, that the transplanted density is not going to match this density. You just can't do that. Yeah. Hopefully it's close enough that you'd love it and it looks great. Mm-hmm. However, there are some guys that may want that second coat of paint. Okay. Where, you know, a year from now, if you want to just increase the density even more so it matches this better, we can go from 30 to 40%, double up to 60, 80%. That's what I do with my own hair. But only time will tell. The goal is to do it once and be done, but depending on your expectations, depending on how thick the surrounding hair is, some guys prefer to do a second paint, second coat, just like if you're painting a wall.
Oh, you got it, yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully, like I said, the goal is to do it once, but time will tell.
Sounds great.
Awesome, man. Thank you for doing this. Hopefully this helps some people out there. We'll do a little bit of drawing, do a little bit of shaving, then we'll check back in with you in a few minutes, all right?
Sounds great.
Cool.
Thank you.
All right, everybody, we are back with Jake, and we have drawn out the lines and done a little bit of shaving. We decided to put in the temples. I think that was I think it's going to look awesome. I think without it, the forehead would still be really wide, so I think that significantly narrows the width of the forehead. And then, as you can see, we brought up into the corners as far as we could go, so it's going to kind of blend into the native natural hair in the back. But then we dropped a little bit, like half a finger or so of the hairline in the front. You good?
Looks good.
Awesome, man. We're both happy with it, so we just took a Valium. We're going to head next door, get started, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Sounds great.
All right? Awesome.
Thanks.
Okay, everybody, we are back with Jake. We're done with part one, so we took out the strip and sewed it back up again. So we're about to make all the holes. How you feeling, man?
Feeling good.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. You flew through that with pretty well. You didn't have too much pain with the shots. You managed okay with it?
Yeah, no, definitely recommend 4 Valium.
Took a couple of Valium there. It was good. Yeah.
Good.
Awesome. So I'm going to turn around and just kind of show try to bandage up a little bit, but I'll just kind of lower it. You can see the stitches right there, all the way around. Looks good. It's going to heal really well. So awesome. Very good. Cool. So we'll start part 2 now. We'll make all the holes and we'll check in a little later. Okay?
Sounds great.
All right, Jake, we are winding down here. Got about maybe 20 minutes left. Ken's and Zane are just putting in the last couple grafts here. How you feeling, man?
Feeling good.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
Had a little lunch. You napped throughout the first one or two, the first 2 phases, but
yeah, I think did I doze off?
You dozed off a little bit, but that's all right. So watching a movie, had some lunch, and like I said, about 20 more minutes, then we'll check in at the end. But things are looking great, man.
Oh, great.
Feeling all right? You doing okay?
Doing good.
Good. Awesome. All right, we'll see you at the end.
Thank you.
All right, Dr. Blumenthal back. Jake is done. Congrats, man.
Thank you.
You made it through the day. You did awesome.
Yeah.
So to be honest with everybody, how did today go?
Today was very smooth.
Good.
Yeah, I came in a little apprehensive because of needles and stuff, but you guys were great.
Awesome.
Numbed me up, watched TV, and got it done.
Awesome, man. You were very easy to work with. So we had a fun day today. I'm just gonna zoom in. I'm super pumped about the results. You can tell we got all the way up in the corners, really packed it in. I'm really excited about those temples too. I think that was key for you. It's really going to take away the width of the forehead. I love it.
Oh yeah,
it's awesome. I'm going to turn you around here, and we can look at the back, and the hair over top is going to cover it anyway. You're never going to see anything that looks great already. So we'll see you in about 2 weeks to get the stitches out.
Great.
And like I said, I'll call you tomorrow. Welcome to the family. You did great.
Sounds awesome.
Any words of advice or encouragement? People on the fence are looking into it. Anything you would advise?
Definitely come here.
Okay.
It's super smooth. It's very.
I did not ask for you to say that, by the way.
You didn't ask me to say that. Definitely come here though. It's like, you maybe see things online and they're like, maybe it's a little scary, but you come in here, it's smooth. You guys are great.
Awesome, man.
And,
appreciate it.
Great.
Thanks
Great
for the
job.
shout out.
No problem.
Hopefully we'll see you in a year. We'll see the before and afters and then blow us away.
It'll be good.
Awesome, dude. Take care, man. Thanks again for doing this.
Thank you.
All right.